Imagine for a moment the indulgent creaminess of grade A foie gras, beautifully seared to a caramelized perfection, paired with the sweet and tangy taste of a homemade fig compote, a symphony of contrasting flavors that dance on your palate, leaving you craving for more. This is the taste of luxury right at your fingertips. To unlock the magic of this gourmet dish, the journey begins with the freshest of ingredients. Seek out a piece of grade A foie gras, a selection of ripe, juicy figs, a dash of sugar, a drizzle of honey, a splash of balsamic vinegar, and a hint of salt and pepper. And don't forget the crusty bread for serving. The first step is to prepare the fig compote. Begin by dicing those fresh figs into bite-sized pieces. Toss them into a saucepan, adding in the sugar and honey. The natural sweetness of the figs perfectly balances the sugar and honey, creating a luscious mixture that will make your taste buds sing. Now pour in the balsamic vinegar. Its sharp, tangy flavor will cut through the sweetness, adding depth and complexity to the compote. Stir this mixture over medium heat until it begins to bubble and thicken. The transformation is almost magical, the figs breaking down into a syrupy compote, rich and inviting. Once you have the desired consistency, season with a sprinkle of salt and a crack of pepper. The compote is now ready, a perfect pairing for the star of our show, the foie gras. Now for the foie gras. The key here is to sear it just right. Heat a skillet until it's hot, then add the foie gras. Hear that sizzle? That's the sound of a beautiful caramelization process beginning. The outside will turn a gorgeous golden brown, while the inside remains deliciously creamy. Once the foie gras is seared to perfection, it's time to plate up. Lay the foie gras on a dish, spoon over some of that luscious fig compote, and serve with a side of crusty bread. The bread adds a delightful crunch, a contrast to the creaminess of the foie gras and the syrupy fig compote. So there we have it, a luxurious dish that's surprisingly simple to make. The creamy, caramelized foie gras, paired with the sweet and tangy fig compote, and served with crusty bread. A perfect harmony of flavors and textures, guaranteed to leave you and your guests in awe. This is not just a dish, it's an experience, a taste of the high life right in your kitchen. Remember, the key to this dish lies in the quality of the ingredients and the balance of flavors. The sweetness of the figs, the tanginess of the balsamic vinegar, the creaminess of the foie gras, all come together to create a dish that's truly unforgettable. So go on, indulge yourself, you deserve it. You,